Hi guys, this is your friend Mindfree and I am welcoming each of you to my channel Never Give Up. Thanks for your support and love. Please subscribe and share as much as possible. If you like my video then please give me a like, and if you dislike my video please give me your valuable comments below. Today's my topic is important charges you have to pay in share market. So without wasting any time, let's go to the computer. So guys, my first point is brokerage. The fee broker charge for the service they offer. Each broker has its own brokerage module. Some traditional brokers charge the brokerage in percentage of trade amount, while the discount broker offer flat monthly per trade fee. Means there was two kinds of broker you have the options. So first is traditional broker and second is discounted brokers. Traditional broker charge you not at a normal rate. Whatever your turnover is, it's 2,50,000, 1,50,000, whatever your according to your trading, they have charged you some percentage. It's called traditional brokers. But discounted brokers is another. They are here just charge you a fixed amount for a month. Suppose they took 1,000 rupees for whatever you just trade, it doesn't matter for him, just they will charge 100,000 rupees for a month. So this is called discounted brokers. There is two kinds of brokers, that one traditional broker, one is discounted broker. So brokerage is the heaviest charges you have to pay during the trading. This is the first charges. After that, STT, security transaction charges. This is the second biggest charges after brokerage charge. Okay, this is the second biggest charges after brokerage charge. For delivery trading, STT is charged on both sides, purchase and sell of trading. For intraday trading, STT is charged on only when you're going to sell the stocks. For intraday, you don't have to pay STT for purchasing. You don't have to pay STT for purchasing in the time of intraday. You just have to pay STT in intraday purpose when you just sell the stocks. Suppose you just buy 1 lakh shares and 1 lakh rupees shares, and you're just gonna sell 1,50,000 rupees shares. So you just have to pay STT on 1,50,000, the sell amount, on the sell amount, not on the purchase amount. This is the STT rule. Okay, so here's the rate of STTs. For delivery, STT charge 0.1%, and for intraday, STT charge 0.025%. It is fixed. Okay, so my next point is stamp duty. This is charged by the state government, so its rate vary with different states. Stamp duty is charged on both delivery and intraday, purchasing and selling. Some major city stamp duty charges. It mentioned, I just want to mention you about that stamp duty vary with states. In Maharashtra there was another rate, Delhi you can get another rate, Kolkata there was another. It's vary with states. I mentioned some cities that the rates. Maharashtra intraday rate is 0.002%, delivery 0.01%. Delhi intraday 0.0025%, delivery 0.025%. Kolkata intraday 0.002%, delivery 0.01%. So this is the stamp duty. Okay, my next point is transaction charges. This is charged by the exchange. It's charged on both delivery and intraday, purchasing and selling. Transaction charges you have to pay to the exchange like NSE, BSE, Nasdaq, Gary, in which exchange you just want to trade. In that exchange you have to pay a charges. This is called transaction charges. So NSE charge 0.00325% and BSE charge 0.00275%. It's on your turnover. Suppose you buy 1 lakh rupee shares and sell 1,50,000 rupees share, so your total turnover amount is 2,50,000 rupees. So you have to pay if you are just trading in NSE, then you have to only 2,53,000 rupees into 0.00325% as a transaction charges. Okay, my next point is SEBI turnover charges. These charges by SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Everybody knows SEBI. SEBI rules the exchange. Okay, so you have to pay a charge to the SEBI. This charge is applicable for both intraday and delivery purpose, purchasing and selling. The rate is 0.0002% in turnover. As the same matter previous, that if you purchase 1 lakh rupees shares and if you sell 1,50,000 rupees shares, your total turnover amount is 2,50,000 rupees, and you have to pay 0.002% on 2,50,000 rupees as a SEBI turnover charges. Okay, my next point is GST. As you know, the service tax is waived by the government, and from 1st July 2017 GST is applicable. The service tax, when you service tax is present at that time, you have to pay 15% service tax, but now GST is applicable for all trading, and all total 18% GST charge on trading and intraday and delivery. Okay, so there was two types of GST, as one is CGST and one is SGST. So both GST is 9% each, so total amount is 18%. But one thing, that GST is charged only on brokerage and transaction charge. Suppose your brokerage amount is 50 rupees and your transaction charge is 10 rupees, so your total is 60 rupees. You have to pay GST on rupees 60 rupees. Okay, and the total rate of GST is 18%. So there is GST. So guys, my next point is DP charges, demat charges. Someone calls this DP charges, someone calls the demat charges. This is charged by the stock broking company. It's vary with different companies. Means nowadays there is a two DP charges are available in market. So some broker house just charge you a one-time amount, and some brokers will charge you annual based amount. If your broker just charge you a one-time amount, it's rupees something 2,000 3,000 for 5 years or for 10 years, it's one-time charges. And if your broker just charge annual based charges, then the DP charges going to 350 450 250. It's vary with different broker house. So this called DP charges. This charge you have to pay for your demat account. So this called is DP charges. My next point is dematerialization charges. If you have any physical shares and you want to convert those physical share certificate to demat, then you have to pay some charges. Let it clear, my friends, it is a hidden charges. Some broker house just told you that dematerialization charges free, but it is chargeable. Mention that dematerialization charges is a hidden charges. This is dematerialization charges. There is another thing, that when you want your demat share convert into physical format, at that time this called rematerialization charges. You have to pay that charge also. So this called rematerialization charges. So here the all charges you have to pay for trading in share market. So let's take a quick look all charges together. First, brokerage. Second, STT, security transaction charges. Number 3, stamp duty. Number 4, transaction charges. Number 5, SEBI turnover charges. Number 6, GST. 7, DP charges. 8, dematerialization charges. So here the all charges list you have to pay in share market. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, then please give me likes. If you dislike my video, then please give me your valuable comments below. Thanks for watching.